In the bright living room, Mirha's face is etched with worry as she stares intently at her school notebook. Little Hussein approaches his innocent curiosity, a stark contrast to Mirha's troubled expression. Hussein's gentle question breaks the silence. Baji, kya hua? Mirha glances up, her expression softening slightly as she sees her little brother. The red ink encircles the mistake, a stark symbol of failure on Mirha's page. Mirha reflects. The teacher has put a red circle on the mistake in my copy. A voice narrates. The teacher circled my mistake in red in my notebook. The red circle burns into her memory, a vivid reminder of the error. In the softly lit living room, Mother sits beside Mirha, her gentle smile radiating warmth and reassurance. With a comforting gesture, Mother pats Mirha's back, her touch a silent promise of unwavering support. Father enters quietly, a book in hand, his presence filling the room with a sense of calm. He settles opposite Mirha, his expression patient and loving, a beacon of hope in her eyes. Mother's voice fills the silence, her words echoing with wisdom and kindness. Beta, galti se ghabrana nahi, balke sekna chahiye. Father adds his voice to the chorus of support, his words ringing with truth. Sachai our menat insan, ko kamyab banate hain.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.